to a room tour of our room here in Hong Kong Disneyland. When you enter the room, on the right side, we have here the toilet and bath, some paintings, mirror. This mirror is the first time to see this kind of mirror. It stretches. And then the most important part is this, the mirror, which has a grumpy, sneezy, dopey, happy, and still bashful, and some more up there. Snow White's up there. And then the lavatory, and then some toothpaste, toothbrush, and all those stuff. Razor and shaving foam, wow. Comb, and cotton pad and swab, sewing kit, and mirror board, and a soap, glass, some really cute lamp, towels, tissues over there with, is that sneezy? Yes, sneezy. The bathtub with some soap and conditioner and lotion, shower, towels. Over here on the left is the toilet. This is a sanitary bag, 2 tissues. So when we go outside, on that is the door, and we have here the bathrobe, the hangers, the slippers. I hope these are free. Please take the slippers home with you as a gift from Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Yay, free. But this bathrobe is not free. If you want, you can purchase. So, extra pillows up there. Then we close it. And over here is a full-length mirror. On the left side is the minibar. We have cups, free water, bottled water. What is this? An ice thing. Some more teacups, kettle, plug. And over here is the fridge and the safe box. Here is some tea, coffee mate, and sugar. There's supposed to be some glass over here. Down there are cups, coasters, and stirrer. And here's the fridge, which is empty. Everything's in Victorian antique theme. And over here, when you enter the room with this one, is the clothes hangers, the couch. Over here is a TV with some drawers, and here is a knocked out baby. A bed, the first bed with cute lamps, and a frame. That is our hotel. And we have 2 beds with some foam. And over here is a drawer, a comment card, some notepad, really cute, and ball pen. I think I'm going to bring this. And here is, we have a 200 Hong Kong dollar discount coupon, and another closet here, which is empty. On our headboards is, we have Tinkerbell, and on the other bed we have the fairy godmothers, and we have a big window with a view of the garden, and an oval mirror with lamps and plugs, and really cute antique chairs. But here is a frame of the garden outside. Oh, is that a trash bin over there? A trash bin. When we go out here, lock. Yes. Relax. And I opened the door, which is so cold outside. But we have the view of the hotel. We have the lobby over there. Wow. Camera's not giving justice. There is a maze-like garden. I'm going there tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment and like if you wish, and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye! Stay magical!